Andrea is writing a post on WordPress about the linked open data event. He has installed WordLift, the Semantic web plugin for WordPress. So he can now run the semantic web analysis, and WordLift will find entities from the linked open data cloud. Entities like Andrea Volpini and David Riccitelli are identified, and Andrea can select them and bind them to the post. Andrea can now continue writing the post. Some entities may not be found, like WordLift itself. So Andrea is going to the Entities section of WordPress and is going to describe the WordLift entity. The entity is saved in WordPress for humans to read, but it's also written as triples in the linked open data cloud. The triples representation is available for humans, but also for computers in RDF, Turtle, and JSON-LD formats. So I can use this representation, for example, in WordLift and explore WordLift visually. The WordLift entities so defined has got a URL on the WordPress blog and the type schema.org/creativework. Now I can continue the analysis and finally mark also WordLift. Now I can define the entity for the linked open data event and relate the entity with other entities, such as Web Technologies, Phil Archer, Semantic Web, and WordLift. Using the WL-related post shortcode, I can create an in-depth article showing the description of the entity and the related posts. The page uses the schema.org markup for Google to crawl. The page is also available in triples for humans to read and computer to consume. I can now use the URL of the event inside WordLift and navigate visually. The entities described in the blog are also linked to the linked open data cloud. So for example, my entity Semantic Web is the same as the Semantic Web entity defined in Wikipedia. Here I'm running a Sparkle query on my blog. I'm now asking from my triple store the date I published a post about an event and any person that were quoted in the event. I will now run the Sparkle query against the blog endpoint, and I will ask for output in the CSV format. I run the query, and here are the results. The post was published on the 18th of February. This is the URL. This is the title of the event. And Phil Archer was present. Now let's ask for the title of the post. I will update my Sparkle query. Save it, and then run it again. And now I have also the title of the post. Thank you for watching.